A familiar SUV returns in disguise as the new Rogue Plug-In Hybrid prepares for its LA Auto Show world premiere. Nissan introduces its first plug-in hybrid for America from Mitsubishi. The 2026 Rogue Plug-In Hybrid offers 38 miles of electric range. Powertrain combines two motors and a 2.4-liter gas engine for 248 horsepower. This is the new Nissan Rogue Plug-In Hybrid for America, and if it looks suspiciously familiar to the Mitsubishi Outlander, you're not imagining things. It isn't an all-new creation but rather the result of badge engineering, with Nissan borrowing its alliance partner's plug-in hybrid SUV and giving it a few bespoke design cues to wear the Rogue name. The 2026 Nissan Rogue Plug-In Hybrid will make its public debut at the Los Angeles Auto Show on November 21st, with the first units expected to arrive at U.S. dealerships in early 2026.